we are designing a walker which is really smart. It's able to basically stop old people from falling, and if they do, stopping them from being severely injured. The product is going to be very important, I think, in demonstrating ways that robotics and computers can be used to solve real problems. In our case, it's the problem of assistive walking.
So my part is the obstacle detection algorithm, which works closely with the navigational control. What my part does is use infrared sensors to measure a voltage relating to how far away an obstacle is from the walker and relate this back to our system. This is then used to calculate the necessary activation ratio to be applied to each of the brakes.
The braking system is controlled by two linear actuators mounted to the frame of the walking aid. These actuators are controlled by software that takes input from both the fall detection system and the obstacle avoidance system. These pull on the existing brake lines to activate the brakes.
Basically, I'm responsible for the emergency communication part of the project. I do use Amazon Dash button as a panic button. So if the user is in their emergency situation and the system will receive signal from the fall detection system, they can also manually press the button, which this will send a message to their family. Ideally, we'll also call the ambulance for them.
I am working on the human gait detection part. So what that means is that we've got a camera which analyzes the movement of a person as they're walking and using the walker, and this is helpful because you can do things like monitor their gait basically, which means that their walking patterns, and then you can use this for example, diagnosis of any muscular problems, or you can use it for physical therapy as well.
So I worked on the fall detection component of the smart walker. This component uses the data from the IMU sensor and the gait analysis. So the way we do this is using a threshold detection method. So as soon as we detect that, we say a fall, we try to apply the brakes. After a while, if the user is not being detected by the Connect camera, then we say, okay, the user has probably fallen, and then we alert the emergency communication.
Often it is said that freedom has to come at the cost of safety, and the other way around. But one thing that our product does is it gives us both freedom and safety, allowing the user to have a much higher quality of life.